If you're thinking about buying your first home, but you don't know where to start, this is the only video you need. Most people think the process starts with looking at homes. That's actually the biggest mistake. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact step by step system we use with our clients from zero to getting you your keys so you can avoid costly mistakes and move with confidence and clarity. So here we go. Stage number one, pre-approval. This is the most important step. It's the foundation of this journey is getting pre-approved. This is where we figure out how much you can actually afford. What is your monthly payment looks like so it matches your lifestyle and what your true buying range is. Not what you think you can afford, but what the bank actually approve. Because here is the reality. Without pre-approval, without money, we're all doing guesswork. You can fall in love with the wrong property and you can waste weeks looking at homes you can't buy. So not doing the guesswork and doing it with clarity is to get pre-approved. Now, how do we structure it? We review your income. We calculate how much down payment you have, run the stress test, and lock in the rates. Now, once the foundational stage is done, now you're in control, which moves us to stage number two, hiring a real estate advisor. Step two is very important because choosing the right real estate agent is somebody that works in team. Now, this is not just someone who opened the doors. The right agent will help you understand the market, protect you during negotiation, structure your offer properly, and guide you every step of the way, especially as a first-time home buyer. You do need someone who explains everything clearly and also has a strategy and works closely with around your financial and mortgage plan because real estate and financing should work together, not separately. When this is done, we move to stage number three, the home search, the fun part. Now, home search is starting your process, but with a strategy. So most buyers search home randomly. We don't do that. We prioritize your criteria from the highest to the lowest. For example, here's my list. Budget is always number one, then neighborhood, then property type, then features like parking, layout, or amenities. Why is this list so important? Because no property will have everything, especially your first one. And if you don't know your priorities, you will feel overwhelmed very quickly. We narrow your focus so you can make, again, confident decision. We move to stage number four. We found a home, time to write an offer. This is where things get serious. An offer is not just a price. It includes your price, it includes your deposit, and it includes your conditions with your closing date. The most important conditions all offers will include to protect you is financing, inspection, and reviewing if it's a strata property, 2 years of documents. These conditions are there to protect you. They give you time to finalize your mortgage, inspect the property, and make sure everything checks out. In my opinion, a strong offer is not always the highest offer. It is the best strategically and structured offer. When this is done, we move to the conditions period, which I refer as the due diligence time. Now, once your offer is accepted by the seller, you enter the condition period. This is your time to do your homework. During this time, your mortgage moves from a pre-approval to a firm approval. You complete your home inspection to ensure there are no red flags and review all the documents to make sure that the strata is healthy. You're not walking into a bad deal if everything checks out. Once this is all done, you remove the condition, and now the deal becomes firm, which moves us to stage number six, the closing process. At this stage, which is more of like the admin process, you will work with a notary or a lawyer. You sign all the final documents, which ensures of the mortgage and the real estate paperwork, transfer the funds if needed for your down payment, and prepare for possession date. This is where ownership officially transfers to you. We coordinate everything to make sure there are no delays, no surprises, and it will be a smooth transition, which is our stage number 7, and that is the possession date. Congratulations. This is where when you get your keys. At this point, the deal is complete, the home is yours, and you're officially a homeowner. This is the moment where everything comes together. So, this was the highlights in the process we walk with all our clients. Now, if you're thinking about buying your first home, the best place to start is with a clear plan, not a guesswork. If you want help mapping out your numbers and building your strategy, send me a message and we can book a strategy call. And I will walk you through the exact process I just shared here and what you should do for your plan. Until my next video, have a fantastic day.